Hi there. John here from Romania and welcome back to my channel where you can learn every day how to make money online. How you can work from home too. Today I am going to show you another site that works very well on the computer and on the smartphone as well. But before I start, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. This way I know that my videos bring value to you and I make more video like this one. Hit the notification bell so I can alert you every day when I am posting new ways to make money online. Here on this channel I show to you ways to make money from zero with zero investment, another ways that need some money to start with and others where need more work but the maximum of result. You can choose whatever you want but you need to see all of them. So take your time, relax and watch my videos. And after that the most important thing, take action. So let's get in making some money. Here it is the easiest way to make money. What you need to do. Sign up to the site with your PC and your smartphone and go to $50 task wall. Here you have some app that you need to download and keep them to your phone for 10 minutes. You make $50 for every app that you download. How easy is it? I am sure that you have at least Instagram and Facebook account if you don't want to create video on YouTube. If you have Facebook, go to $50 Facebook post and make a post how they ask you to do. Go to Facebook video post and create a short one how they ask you to do. Go to $50 Instagram post and create a post how they ask you to do. If you have a Snapchat it is even better, you can make $100 for a short video. If you have TikTok you can make $150. I think it is worth it. Just go and create some account on those social media platform and create that short video. And make some money. How to create a video easy. Download a free screen recorder from Google, install it to your computer, go to Google Slideshow. Create a short presentation with some keyword. Play some relaxing music if you do not want to talk. When the presentation it is ready and the music you have on YouTube may be ready to play. Just start the recording, fast start the music and play the auto show on Google Slideshow. And here it's your video. Do not forget the most important things. Like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram work_smart not hard. You can find me on Facebook too with the same brand name. Thank you very much.